chicharrones. And we're live, back with secret sauce. We're gonna do 2 dishes. First one is feijoada and mofongo. Mofongo comes from Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico. I will let you guys argue. I'm not here to argue. I'm here to bring people together through food. So, it's been a long day. Olive oil. Gotta add a little sunflower because now I'm out. We're doing this to brown our meat. Ooh, look at this. Beef, soup bone. Turning on the fire would help, huh? All right, need water and cilantro. All right, we're gonna add onion. And now like two cloves. Mashed up garlic. Ooh, it smells good. So when you're browning meat, you want to kind of always eyeball it. And if you see it starts to get sticky at the bottom of the pan with a wooden spoon, scrape it. You want all that flavor. And you also don't want it to burn. Water. Oregano. Salt. This is getting exciting, you guys. You know what we're about to make? We are gonna make homemade chicharrones, which I've never ever done in my life because they're so easy to find here. Why would I? But this is secret sauce. We're gonna try it. And I want these pieces to stay like the fat and the meat, you know, together. So I'm gonna cut it like this in strips. More water. In goes this. Oregano. Salt. Almost put it in the wrong one. A lot of pepper.
Two hours later.
Now what? Plantains. Okay, for mofongo, it specifically says green plantains, so don't at me.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Those are green. They're supposed to be. That being said, this is gonna be hard to peel. I think I might cut it.
Yo te traigo esta bomba puertorriqueña. Yo te la traigo de Cupey, de Vega Baja y de Santurce, de toda parte de Puerto Rico.
Ooh, spoon tricks. Come on. Come on. Yes.
A la familia Fontanet, allá en Cupey Alto y Lo Mejía en Vega Baja. ¡Que goce! Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Bomba, bomba está presente, aquí lo canta mi gente. Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Baila, baila y goza.
Prepare for greatness. That's right. Yeah, I've been to Dominican Republic once to DJ. It was fun. You feel awkward just watching? I feel awkward just living, so I can relate. Rico. Oh man, when they start to get golden, it's getting exciting. It's getting exciting. These are plantains, not potatoes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Look at this. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Oh my god. All right. I feel like that looks about right to me. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful. Mmm. Yum. So close, but yet so far. Come on, liquid. So it says to cook these in the liquid until it's all the way evaporated. It's like, oh, it's almost there. Come on, come on. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna add a little something. I'm gonna do my own secret. It wasn't in the recipe, but I'm doing it. And now, cover that. Woo! They're almost done. Wow, dude, it smells like caramely goodness. They look burned, but in this camera, but I promise you they're not. Wow, 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 wow. So before I continue with the recipe, you already know I gotta try one of these. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh wow. I've eaten chicharrones so many times in my life. Never even thought to make them myself. Now I will. These are freaking delicious. Oh my God. This is unreal. All right, I gotta stop. I'll eat all of these. Okay, so we're gonna do this a little bit funny because my mortar is like this big. It's very small, but I read you could just do this in a bowl with a glass. So that's what I'll do. So we start with the garlic, which I smashed already with the end of my knife. What's up? Hold on. So in the bowl, actually I should move this knife. Okay, now the plantains. Ha ha ha. Okay, now it's mashing together. We're getting there. Woo! I feel a bead of sweat running down my forehead right now. No joke. It will add to the flavor. It will take 2 hours for the bead of sweat to fall. That's how big. All right, so now we have to form balls with this mixture. It's gonna form. Okay. Well, this could be a really bad idea to eat this before bed. You know what? I'm gonna make a mini. Now I have to strain the meat. So I made a mini one because it is way too late. We're getting minis. So we're making an ultra mini mofongo because it is way too late for me to even be eating this right now. Mini mofongo. All right. Oh, that was close. Okay, well, that's what I got. That's all I got. I got it right as it split in the middle. Whoa. Oh my God. This is good. Mmm. 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 Oh my God. The flavors. The flavors are unreal. Very roasted because of the chicharrones. Mmm. This is delicious. Dude. homemade chicharrones. Life-changing. Mmm. 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 There's a really interesting flavor. I think it's the oregano. It's the oregano in the chicharrones combined with everything. It's really subtle, but it's delicious. Rico. This is so good, you guys. Chicharrones. Okay, guys, it is 12:30. It's midnight. I've been up since 8 a.m. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, especially mods. I know this is a late one. I will see you tomorrow. Bye. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a heart and subscribe to my channel, or the squirrel will get you.
Goodbye.